Alright everyone, so check out this new paper airplane. This is very unique one. I would call it the fire. So let's check out the fire. Ooh, wow! Wow! It's a long distance paper airplane everyone. I didn't expect it to fly that far. Okay, so let me go to pick it up and throw it one more time. It's been a while since I make a long distance paper plane, so hold the plane right here and throw it straight. Oh my gosh, let's go pick it up. It's just a very good paper airplane. Fly so far and fast. Fly straight to. So let me fix the head up. Let me fix the head up. Let me put it down and fix this. Take out this grass leaf out and go over here and throw it one more time. Check it out. Very long plane. Hold right here and throw it. Oh my gosh! This flies so far away. One of the longest distance paper airplanes ever, actually. So let me pick it up one more time. Right here. It's been a long time since I make a paper airplane test flies. Take a look at this plane. Very special. Horse right here and throw it straight. Oh wow! What can I tell you about this paper airplane, everyone? It's just an amazing long distance plane. It flies so well in windy conditions. This is a very cool looking plane too. Let me throw this one last time. Okay, we pick it up right here. Fix the heads up. Let's see how far it can fly. Okay, check it out. I don't know, like when I throw it, the plane tilt a little bit, but then it's get balance again by itself, and then it's fly far. Very special. I don't know, because of the paper or just because the design so good, so aerodynamic. You want to see how it's fly one more time? Let me hold up right here and there's one more last time. Hey, check it out. There's nothing I can tell you about this plane anymore. It's just an awesome paper airplane. That is it. Let me go to pick it up now. Right here. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper, and the first step is to fold the paper in half like this. When you fold the paper in half, make sure that all edges are lined up, and then crease the paper down. And next step, let's open the paper. Flatten it down. Start from the upper edge. Fold both sides of the edge in 20 centimeters. Adjust the paper. When it's hit into the center grid, just crease it down nicely. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Adjust the paper a little bit and crease the paper down. And now let's start from the tip for straight down. Now crease the paper down. Open the paper and start from the tip for straight to the crease that you just made. Crease it down nicely. Perfect. Now let's fold the paper in half like this and place the paper down. Start from this corner, fold straight to the other corner. Adjust the paper and crease this down. This may be a little bit difficult on this side, but just curve the paper and crease this down. Now crease the paper down. Next step, let's flip the paper over. Repeat the same fold for this side. This is very important that you keep all edges lined up perfectly. Adjust the paper, curve it a little bit, and then press the paper down. And now it looks really good. This looks really good. So crease the paper. Looks perfect. Now place the paper like this. Now it is a little bit tricky to fold, but follow my steps. I'll show you a couple of things going on here. We need to flatten the paper down. You can see that there are 2 creases. And now fold both sides back, and I will push this down. But you keep pushing it down, now it won't work. So I'm going to fold two more folds to help us to do the fold. Right? So you know the idea. We want to press that part down to flatten the paper, but it won't work. So we need to fold it like this first. So start from the edge, fold straight down to the below crease, adjust it a little bit. When you finish with one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Do it slowly. Now I can crease the paper. Crease it slowly, adjust it as you need. Once I finish with this side, I open the paper, right? Then I fold it toward the other side. I can place the paper down like this so I can see the other crease nicely, and I'll just fold it. So when I fold it toward the other side, now I have a crease for me to push the upper part or the upper edge down. You see, now I can open this upper part of the paper. Yes, pushes a little bit. Now you can see this crease, so I just hold the paper and then crease it and then press it down. This is a very tricky fold, so follow the steps slowly. Now we fold the paper down, and this looks nice from both sides of the paper. I will flip it over again and show you how it's look. And I flatten the paper down. Now I'll start from this side, the upper tip of the paper. I fold straight down toward the other side. Basically, I fold the paper in half. When I fold the paper in half and make sure that the center crease are aligned down, I can crease the paper down. And I'll place the paper like this. I'll fold straight upward, and the crease that you see on the side is about 1 inch. Alright, now I can flip the paper over and start from this side of the paper. You can see this pop-up point. I will insert it into the pocket that we made. One side at a time. Finish this side and the creases, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. I adjust the paper and insert the pop out part first into the pocket and press down the paper. Now it looks very nice, right? Adjust the paper for now, creases down, and you see this pop-up part, the upper part. Now I will insert it into the pocket as well. So just insert it there. And guess what? Why do I need to insert that into the pocket? Can you answer the question? If not, and I will explain now. The reason why we spend so much time to create the pockets, that to help us to keep both sides of the paper all together. So when you pull the paper in half, it creates a lock. This will lock the pop out part of the paper. That's the way you can create a wing. And now let's create a wing, right? Start from this side of the paper and matches toward the edge to create the first wing. One side at a time. Create this side and repeat the same fold for the other side. Now press the paper down. Adjust the head of the paper as well, and then crease the paper. Make sure that all edges are lined up. And now you can open the paper. It looks very nice, right? You can test the paper out now, but I don't expect it will fly well until you create the stabilizer. So at the end of this size of the paper, I create one stabilizer and then repeat the same fold for the opposite side to create 2 stabilizers. It needs to fold in a little bit more, like a half an inch, so that it can create an elevator, so it have elevator planes when it's flying. This is a very unique paper airplane with 3 body parts, as you can see on the video. And finally, I hope that you guys enjoy making the paper airplane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. See you again next time. Bye bye.